So next we'll be talking about prompting. Now, most people when they use AI, they simply ask a question, they get a response, and they're like, oh, okay, cool, that's how the AI works. Well, not really. I mean, that's a very basic way on how to approach it. If you're very specific with the AI, you're gonna get much better responses. So let me show you. Okay, so let's get into the most important thing and let's talk about prompting. Now, generally when people first use these tools, they ask them very generic questions and you're just gonna get generic responses. For example, I wanna market my real estate business. How do I do this? Now, even if I change the model to Opus or something, it's just gonna give you a basic response. And this is typically how 90% of people use these AI tools. And here I'll just go ahead and run this prompt. Okay, so as you can see, we just got very generic responses. You know, how to use ads, you should use Facebook and Instagram, use YouTube, and a lot of this is just very generic information. Now, if you're using the free version, you can actually extend this a little bit further. Now, I'm not recommending to create prompts like this, but just to help you out, over here under the model, if you click on the extended thinking and you actually enter in the same prompt, they're actually going to help guide you a little bit more. So if we take this same sort of keyword right here and we try it again, it's gonna actually ask us questions this time. So after I run that with extended thinking, you'll now see it's asking us more questions because it wants to really give us a dedicated answer depending on our needs. Now it also just gave us like basic generic information, but it was a little bit more detailed this time. But if we actually go to these questions, it'll help narrow down the search and really give us something that we can use. So we ran a basic prompt and it wasn't really the best example. Now extended thinking does help sometimes, but there are better ways that you can enter prompts. So let me give you an example. So let's take a look at this second prompt. So I want to know how to go viral with my real estate business. I'm a 30-year-old male. We are located in Las Vegas. Can you create a detailed prompt in order to get viral marketing campaigns for my real estate business? Generate me a prompt that will research my niche, find the best opportunities and marketing methods that can explode my business. Now, the thing is here, we are giving it exact instructions on who we are, our environments, our location, and also we're asking it to research competitors. Now, in this specific case, I'll click on this plus button and I always want to have web search on. Now, if you're using Claude for research or anything else, I always recommend to use web search. It is a great thing to always have because it'll always search the internet, find the current trends or whatever's going on the internet, and then apply that to this specific prompt. I also want to change this to Opus 4.6. If you have not upgraded to the Pro, I do recommend it, but in this specific example, I'm going to use Opus. Now remember here, I am only asking it to create a prompt for us for the next step. So essentially, I want a really detailed prompt in order to give to Claude. So let's see what this generates for us. Now, this is what I'm talking about here. Look at this prompt. So this right here, this is actually not instructions. This is actually a prompt that we're going to give Claude, and this will essentially answer all of our questions and help us research everything in our specific niche. To give you an example, part one is research niche and market analysis. So I want to know what's going on in the Las Vegas markets, the demographic targeting, competitor landscape, all these different things, right? And then we have viral content strategy. So I want to know what's trending. I want to know what's going viral. So Claude's actually going to scout the internet, see what's working in that specific niche, and then it's going to, you know, give that back in a response. Long form video content, and these are just instructions. So give me 10 long form ideas, so and so forth. And as you can tell, this is a much better detailed prompt than how do I get clients in Las Vegas? So we're gonna take this entire prompt right here, and now we're gonna feed this to the AI. Now, this works for any single industry. So if you are in web design, if you are in construction or anything else, you can always ask the AI to generate a prompt for you because AI can generally generate prompts better than humans. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to go ahead and take all this, right? Copy this, and now I'm going to paste this into Claude. So I'm taking all this information and now I'm going to ask Claude on how to do all this. And I'll just go ahead and run this prompt. Now a prompt this big might take a few minutes, so just be a little patient. So after about 5 minutes, it now generated this very detailed prompt, and you can see right here, they've actually created a blueprint for us. Now just scanning through this, I know this is correct. So I actually have properties in Las Vegas. You're gonna see they show you the price change, so from 0.06 to 3%. The houses there pretty much appreciate by 3 to 5% every single year. And here this says what this means for you. Buyers have leverage, sellers need expert help. Luxury is thriving and condos are discounted. Now, luxury is thriving because people from California, Washington, and Texas as well, they're selling their properties and they're traveling to Las Vegas. In fact, I do believe they actually mentioned that. And look at the detail for the demographic targeting. So it says that household ages 30 to 55 are fleeing high taxes and new state proposals, often selling homes worth $800K to $1.5 million in Los Angeles, San Francisco, or Seattle, and arriving with massive equity. This is very true. So a lot of people from California are showing up to Las Vegas and they're just buying houses cash. Now, scrolling down, let's take a look at the marketing ideas. So scrolling down here, you're gonna see that there is untapped micro niches. So for example, the Las Vegas relocation expert. Now that's a very clever thing to say. So instead of saying I'm a real estate agent, I can say I am the Vegas relocation expert. And they're basically accommodating people from California and also Washington. The first time buyer educator for people under 35. Now create a content brand that makes home buying feel accessible and exciting for younger buyers. Now this is a great thing to add. Like I really do love the responses here. And going back here, they even give you a 90-day plan. So they basically talk about in your first 30 days, this is how you build up your profile. On the next 2 months, this is the momentum where you essentially try to refunnel and retarget to people who visited your Instagram. And then phase 3 is the explosion phase. They talk about different ads and things you should expect in your second and third month. This is very interesting. And tell you what, I'll leave this PDF in the video description because you can just click on download here and then download it. And if you want to see this, I will leave this in the video description. And just to give you a little teaser, here's another example. So many of you probably want to know how to make money with AI. So instead of writing, I want to know how to make money with AI, we can now ask the AI to generate a very complex prompt for that. So generate me a prompt that goes in detail and explain a variety of ways on how to make money online. Use e-commerce methods, AdSense, and any untapped form of making money. Do research on this and give me a detailed prompt for Claude. And here we go, party people. So now we have this huge prompt that we can enter into Claude. Now this talks about, how to make money with AI. And here we have the AI mindsets. They talk about e-commerce and AI. They also have AdSense, affiliate commissions, and other ways on how to monetize using AI. And as you can see, there's a lot more going on here. Now, I'm not going to enter this in, but I'll go ahead and leave this in the video description because I think at this point, you kind of know what's going on. So to sum this section up, whenever you're thinking of something like a question like, how do I do this? Or how do I make money with eBay? Or how can I make money with Amazon? All you need to do is take that simple question that you have and then reiterate to the AI saying, I want you to improve this prompt, touch it up a little bit, give it a little bit of direction, like how can I make money from this? What are things to look out for? And generate me a prompt for this. And then take that prompt, put it into Claude, and you'll get a much better result as you saw earlier.